Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Freshsales CRM email integration with Outlook, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Freshsales CRM email integration with Outlook, first, log in to your Freshsales account. Navigate to the settings gear icon located in the top right corner. From the settings menu, select the email option. Next, click on email integration under the email settings. Here, you will see options for integrating your email account. Select Connect your email. A prompt will appear asking for your email Choose Outlook from the list of available options. You will be prompted to enter your Outlook email address. Input your Outlook email address in the designated field. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will then be directed to a Microsoft login page. Enter your Outlook password and click Sign In. If prompted, allow Freshsales access to your Outlook account. Once access is granted, return to the Freshsales interface. Your Outlook email should now appear as connected. To verify integration, go back to the email settings. Send a test email from Freshsales to your connected Outlook account. Check your Outlook inbox to confirm receipt of the test email. If the email arrives successfully, your integration is verified. For troubleshooting, revisit the email settings to check connection status. Ensure there are no errors displayed in the integration section. If issues persist, recheck your Outlook credentials and permissions. You have now completed the verification of Freshsales CRM email integration with Outlook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.